Hello, welcome back. Today we're introducing something a little bit special. It's a rare 1982 Yamaha XV1000 TR1. But it's been previously customised into this one-of-a-kind vintage style bobber. Today marks a new chapter in life as we kick off our first ever Trading Up Series. This journey is going to see us take bikes of all shapes and sizes, restore and upgrade them, and hopefully sell them for a profit to buy the next project. I'll keep you up to date with all the costs involved, and I'll be asking for input on what to do with each bike. Starting with this stunning Yamaha TR1. We'll be tackling its issues, giving it some much needed TLC, and adding a few cutting edge features along the way. But for now, let's have a listen to that glorious exhaust note before taking a closer look back home. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the bike. It's a 980cc V-twin, putting out a modest 69 horsepower through an enclosed chain final drive. It started its life in 1982 as a standard silver TR1 in Italy. Then, in 2001, it was imported to the UK and converted into this one-of-a-kind bike. The conversion was done so well that it almost looks like it came like this straight from factory. From what I know, the changes made include a single seat conversion, a teardrop fuel tank and a full respray in blue with white stripes. It's got a straight handlebar conversion with all the dials and mirrors removed and changed to the single dial and rear view mirror. All the indicators have been removed and there's a custom rear light fitted to the mudguard. It's got custom built footrests and some modified single-sided exhaust pipes. It really is a beautiful bike, but it does have some issues and it really needs some TLC. The first time I rode it, I noticed it had an oil leak coming out of the rear valve cover. Then the next day, it had a misfire and loss of power. And I think it was only running on one cylinder. So I'm going to have to try and fix that first. Changing the O-ring to the cover and doing a full oil and filter service and hope that that sorts the problem. It also needs a new set of tyres front and back, and the front brake feels really weak. The lever's firm, but the stopping power's just not there. There could be air in the system, but if anyone's got any suggestions for what that could be and how to fix it, please let me know below. Next, I'm going to give it a deep clean, followed by a full machine polish and ceramic coatings to the paint to protect it. I'm also considering repainting the engine, since it's looking a little tired. What do you guys think? Should I paint it completely black or just repaint the existing black bits and polish the rest as standard? Then I'm planning to upgrade the lights to LEDs while keeping the retro style, something a little bit like this. It's also a little strange riding without indicators, so I'm thinking of reinstalling those. be going with the more sleek look of integrated ones into the headlamp, or even the inserts onto the side of the handlebars. And finally, although the bike's classed as historic, making it tax and MOT exempt, I'm going to put it through its MOT for peace of mind and as a little health check from the pros. Any suggestions and ideas, please let me know below. And what do you guys think I paid for this bike? And although I fully intend on trading up to another bike, there's something special about this one, and I already feel like it's going to be hard letting go. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.